wala kang ulam brother and sister, talbos ng kamuti brother and sister. Yan, madali dito. Kailangan masipag rin magtanim brother and sister. Puro talbos lang, sawa ka talaga dito brother and sister. Talbos, basta huwag ka lang maarte brother and sister, okay ka na dito. Pag maarte ka brother and sister na wala dyan, kailangan kakain ka ng mga gulay brother and sister. Ang paganda sa boses to brother. Yan, dami na ko nakuha brother and sister. Sabawin lang to brother and sister. Ano yan?